Hey everybody, this is going to be a super quick video. As everybody pretty much on the internet, every YouTube person out there just got their Quest 3. I'm going to do a quick unboxing, brand new box, haven't opened it yet. I know a couple people may have messaged, it's been a while since I've been online and doing a couple things. Just work schedule's been really crazy and just really busy, and a lot of things I can't go over and some things I can go over, but the Quest 3 is one of the big ones I've been kind of anticipating for, specifically on the mixed reality aspect. So looking forward to kind of deep dive into that once I get a chance. But let's go ahead and just open her up. Let's see what's inside. I'm sorry, I bumped the camera there. Let's see here. We'll see how quickly we can do this. If you got yours, notice I only got the 128 gig just specifically for right now, so I can kind of investigate a little bit further on things. But this is what you have when you open the box. Let's take a look at the headset. I know that's probably the main thing, and I know some people are still kind of debating if they're going to pick up this device or not. What's the difference between the Quest 2 or getting the Quest 3 here? And obviously, you know, you have this new camera array in the front to kind of support pass-through and, you know, hand tracking, arm tracking, and a little bit more. The device, very lightweight, a lot lighter, and you notice that the basically screen display bezel here is a lot thinner. You have the goggles here, lenses obviously a lot larger there. That's pretty interesting in itself. Here's some look at the bottom there. To take a look at the buttons. Looks like there's another camera there. So there's two cameras on the side. That's interesting. Two cameras on the side and the front, and then the array here. When I did get a chance to do the demo, actually Best Buy, if you haven't tried it, if your Best Buy might have it, Best Buy has actually a demo device where you can actually try a couple things, look at some of the videos, and then kind of go through some of the games that are going to be available for the Quest 3 here. But this is the device, so this is very interesting. Let's take a look at the controllers. A lot more sleeker and a little bit just thinner controllers. A lot smaller. Ergonomics is pretty nice. Obviously, it still takes the batteries there and trigger there. So pretty nice. I'm looking forward to test a couple things. Again, this was just a quick video, just kind of unboxing. Again, like I said, the internet's pretty much everybody is probably going to do their review. Where I come in is more on a technical deep dive on what the device can actually do, what opportunities are there. I definitely want to see items on the mixed reality side of things, and also just kind of options of filming gameplay and seeing what that looks like. Currently, if you're building applications, obviously Unity is kind of the go-to. Meta actually released their SDK that's now available. You can use the simulator and then the Unity plugin for the package to kind of go through. There's a couple guys out there who kind of walk you through an initial setup. But like I said, my goal here is more in a deep dive on the mixed reality pass-through side, along with some other items. So if you're subscribed, thank you. If you're new and you came to check out things, be sure to subscribe. Hope to update some newer updates here. Talk to you soon.